What's going on, Spooling Up Squad? I hope everybody has enjoyed their weekend. I know I did. I had a blast hanging out with family, friends, and having a good old time. Today we are going to be getting in some Mazdaspeed 6 content, which I know you guys are a huge fan of lately, so I appreciate all the support. If you're a big fan of the Speed 6 content, please give this video a big thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. Also, merchandise dropped. This is one of the new shirts. Have this color here, plus a black shirt with white lettering. Only a certain amount left. I already have to make another order with our shirt company because they are flying off the shelves. But I have some stuff for you guys today, and I have a box from Edge Autosport that got sent to me for a part that I needed and wanted to put in the Speed 6, and JP over at Edge Autosport shipped that over real quick, so I'm gonna unbox that with you guys. Well, right now we're on the way to pick up another key piece to the Speed 6 build to help us go faster, and that is new wheels. You guys heard me talk about wanting to get some RX-7 FD wheels. Well, that still is a plan of ours to get, and I might put, slicks on all four of those for when we build this car further and make more power, when we actually really need a lot smaller of a wheel for when we need it, when we make more power. But I found a really good deal with a guy local that has some Evo 8 wheels, the Enki 5 spokes, and he's selling them really cheap, and they're in pretty decent shape for what I've seen from the pictures, and they have fairly new NT 555s on them. But I hope you guys are excited. Enough talking, let's get to the place we're going to pick up the wheels, and we'll show you guys when we get there. All right, so we're here picking up the new wheels. They're in great shape. They got, looks like Nitto NT 555Rs. They're in good shape. No gouges or anything. They're money. So these will help a lot too for getting out of the hole quicker. They a lot smaller wheel, a lot less weight too. So it'll definitely help a lot. So the tires got good tread on them still. But it's crazy. The shops that we're at, they just do this stuff for fun. It's not like an actual shop, but they're all Evo guys, and hence why I got these wheels. These guys have some crazy setups. I mean, this one's basically like a bolt-on Evo, puts down some decent power, and then you got, a crazy Evo in here that's got potential for 6 seconds in the eighth and, deep nines or so in the corner. But pretty sweet setup here. But I mean, these cars, most of people know now, but these cars have so much potential, it's crazy. For the money you put in these things, you can get serious horsepower. It's absolutely insane. The aftermarket, availability of parts for these things is nuts. The sky's literally the limit. And what was your name again, man? Lenore. So this is his. I think the quickest pass he has on this one so far, 8th mile, I don't know, quarter, is like a 7.0. So that's moving out. The exhaust is just going straight out the fender, or the exit, or the bumper. That's gangster, dude. Got another Evo here. Got this one here. The motor's out of it. They got squirrely with that one. Motor out of it. And what's done to this?
So it's a fully built ALR, half built. So it's an aluminum long rod motor.
Aluminum long rod motor.
Yeah, half filled with concrete. 6870.
Damn. What kind of power does this thing put down?
You gotta be snitching on yourself. lower boost setting,
Yeah, I hear you. Dude, that's gorgeous, man.
It's a long rod, so it's a higher rev.
Oh, gotcha. Nice, dude. That manifold is sick. And that's a 6870?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so I was just talking to him about this, guys. Like, he's got the 6870 on here, and I'm contemplating back and forth on the RX-8 build that you guys know, whether to go with the 6870 or the 6466. Obviously Gen 2. Because the 6466, the new ones, the Gen 2s are capable of 900. So
I had it on this car before.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll go with, is a 6466, just because those things light up so quick, and with the Gen 2s now, they're capable of a lot more power. So we'll probably ride that one out until we actually need it, but I think it'll be plenty. But man, these cars are sick. I love it, dude. And we'll probably see you guys out, at the track a lot more. So it'd be pretty cool to run into you guys. But I appreciate the wheels, man. Thanks for the hookup. I'll definitely need them. we're gonna load up the wheels, head back to the house. We got more parts to unbox and get cracking on the Speed 6 so we can get this thing out to the track Tuesday and get you guys more footage. You passed what, last week?
Yes.
Last Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, so less than 5 days ago. This is the motor that was in it with a giant window in it. He definitely sent it. That was right off the launch, huh?
Yeah, right on two-step.
Right off the two-step, yeah, he hit it and it just went. But they already have it. It's Sunday. They already have a new motor on the way.
It's a builder error, you know. Fortunately,
it happens.
Yeah.
Race, break, repeat, right?
Gonna try a new builder here.
Yeah.
Well,
It
not
happens.
a new builder, but
Same
like,
builder than on the car. Somebody else built that.
Guys, I'm so stoked. Got the wheels back there. This is why I love the car community so much, and this is why I'll probably never get out of the car scene, is because the people are awesome. I never met these people in my life. They drive completely different cars than what we do, you know, and they're super down to earth. And when you're like a car guy or a car girl, whatever, you just bond over the shared passion of like building cars, and whether you have the goals of going fast, looking good, or both, whatever. Everybody can bond over the same stuff. And, you know, I just went there to pick up wheels, and we ended up talking for half an hour about different builds and what the plans are. I introduced them to the channel and told them what we were doing. I mean, it's just so cool to just, you know, kind of bond with random people that share the same passion with you. And it's sweet. And now I just made, you know, a couple new car friends in the area, and, you know, probably meet them out at the track one of these days and maybe get some footage of their cars and you know, ours, and it'll be great. But I'm pumped. We're going home right now. I'm gonna wash these wheels with some like Dawn dish soap, get anything that's on them off, clean up the tires and the wheels real good, and then we'll get them ready to get put on the 6. All right, so I cleaned them up a little bit. They're obviously gonna get repowder coated. I'm thinking like a super like high gloss gunmetal color. I think it'll look good. But they're all cleaned up, ready to go get put on the car tomorrow. The meats are still in good shape. They got a lot of tread depth left on the radials. And yeah, we'll see what they do. 2 inches smaller, a lot lighter, and I think it'll do good. But we do have this box here from JP over at Edge. Thanks, Lewis. Just dropped your ball on my foot. But we're gonna open this up here and see what we got. Oh, yeah. Oh, these are my favorite. Dude, this shirt's my favorite. Check this out. Say no to stock. And then another one of my favorites. Don't get gapped. Oh, thanks, JP. I appreciate it. But the real reason we got this package was right here. Speed 6 solid shifter bushings. And these, some debate whether they make a good difference or not. I like having them there for extra insurance. They're obviously a lot more solid than the stock stuff. So we're going to slap these in tomorrow along with the new wheels. My dog's here for moral support. Sit. Good dogs. Woohoo! What do you guys think of the new wheels? Hey. You like them? Okay, so we got solid shifter bushings, 2 new shirts that I absolutely love. Thanks, JP. I appreciate it. And more to come. We got a huge order that we just placed with Edge Autosport for the MS8. So that'll be more for you guys to come. But it's getting kind of late here. I got to get to bed. I got gym and work in the morning. So I'm going to stop here for today, but we'll pick up tomorrow when we're putting on the wheels and putting these solid shifter bushings in. So we'll see you then. And we're back. So we have the Speed 6 up in the air. We're putting the new 17-inch Evo 8 wheels on, taking the RX-8 wheels off. These are sold to a new owner. We're breaking the tires loose right now. We got a half an hour till we got to be at the track. Got Vince here helping us out. Dom's inside getting ready. He's got the Speed 3. He's bringing that. I don't know if he's running it or not. He doesn't have slicks or anything on it. He might just run it for fun. But we're breaking these loose, getting the new ones on, and getting ready to go. Unfortunately, I left the solid shifter bushings at home. Not a huge deal. I'll put them in after this, but I just want to get there, get the cars cooled down, get teched in, and be ready to go so we can send it. Damn, the new look. Not for long though, because these are going to get painted. They're going to get color change to be determined. But actually, it doesn't look too bad. Those 245s on there don't look bad.
Yeah, they fill out the wheel well real nice.
Yeah. I'm digging it. Hopefully it helps us tonight. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comments. I think it looks pretty good. See how they do. So I'm going to install the shifter bushings at a later time. That's going to wrap up this episode. I'm going to leave you guys on a cliffhanger. I know I told you I'm on the way to the track, but that's going to be a different video. But I hope you guys like the wheels. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what color I should change the wheels to. They're definitely getting painted or coated. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm thinking like a hyper black or like some hyper gunmetal gloss or something. Let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The first few of many mods coming for the Speed 6. We got these in a hurry to make the track tonight, but many more mods to come. I hope you guys are enjoying the Speed 6 content. We're gonna head to the track, send it.
Full send.
We're trying to get in the 7s. Wish us luck. You guys will see in the next video how that goes. So until next time, guys, we will see you later. Peace.